So we're going to have a gutter, we're going to have a display grid and a gap. But now we're going to define grid template columns. This is the first time we're actually defining some columns. And what we're saying here is we're saying we want 2 columns of equal amount. This is a fraction, and this is a unit only available to display grid. So unlike pixels or percentage, this will say of the available space left after you've calculated the gaps in between items, I want 1 fraction to go to the first item and another fraction to the second item. If we wanted to do a 1/4 split, so 1/4 went to the first and the remaining parts went to the other, we could do that. So one part, so we have a ratio of 1 to 3. So we have of the 4 of this whole available space, it's divided into 4. 3 parts go to this section and 1 part goes to the first section. We could do 2/3. So 2/3 goes to this first section and 1/3 goes to the last. A 50-50 split is a good default, but that's where we come in with some other options. We can come in and go data, and we can go fraction, 1/3, 2/3. We can come in here and go 1/4, 3/4. So then just to be consistent, let's go ahead and define a 50% split. Okay, so this would then give us the freedom to come in here anywhere this is used. For example, we have the hero and we're using split fraction 1/2, but we can come in here and come in and say 2/3. And that would automatically update to the way we want that. But let's go back to fraction 1/2 and now we're getting the layout that we're looking for.
If you want to keep learning about how to build real-world apps with the latest technologies and other career-related topics, then start right now by subscribing to our channel and liking this video.